All right, let's continue. Okay, there's a correction I want to make. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now, all right, let's continue. Instead of, okay, there's a correction I want to make. Having what I did before, okay, I want to go this route so that, yeah, okay. Now, we don't have to do much cramming. Instead of having what I did before, I want to go this route so that we don't have to do much cramming. Just a sec. Let me go through this route. Let me choose another folder to work on. Okay. And I'll explain why. Let me work on this folder. I change the name to let me choose another folder to work on. And I'll explain why. Let me work on this folder. I change the name to work. Police session. Work. Okay. As usual, I have already done my work. It's called practice 2. So I come here, I open a new repository. As usual, I have already done my work. It's called, remember the name I used, it's called practice 2. So I come here, I open a new repository. Practice 2. A new repository. Now, remember the name I used. If you don't add a README file, please don't add a README file, and I'll tell you why. If I click on create repository, just now write the name and create a repository. If you don't add the command that you can use in initializing, please don't add a README file, and I'll tell you why. Here. So you don't need to. If I click on create, well, if I had clicked add README file, write the name and create it will not lead me to this page. Now, if this is the command that you can use in initializing, the page that we saw when we were working with all here, so you don't need to building on GitHub first. Then well, if I had clicked add README file, this other pattern, it will not lead me to this page. It will rather navigate to the page that we saw when we were working with building on GitHub first, then going and adding file. So basically, if you don't create it will not bring you to this folder. I just wanted us to come to this part so that we can see these commands. You can see that you don't have to actually cram all of this. It's already here for you. So basically, so if you what I'm saying is that it will not bring you to initialize folder. I just wanted us to come to this part so that we can see these commands. You can see that you don't have to actually cram all of this. It's already here for you. So what I'm saying is that first of all, initialize your work. Git branch. After initializing your work, create a branch. After initializing your work, but let's go ahead and work. You can add a README. You can then you commit. So I've opened that. I have that folder. Git branch, and I want to create a branch with your VS Code to remote. But let's go ahead and work it out the way you normally open. So I've opened that. I have that folder. VS Code. Practice to your VS Code, and I want to. You can open it with your VS Code. The way you normally that folder. Practice 2. Just the way you normally open. For now, it is not linking to that one on the your VS Code and navigate. Not linking. So what I can do to make them link. This is that folder. Practice 2. Now, for now, it is not linking to that. What I can do to make them start linking up now. They are not linking. So what I can do to make them link. I go ahead and git init. This is the first command. Git init. What I can do to make them start linking up now. I go ahead and it has initialized it. Go ahead and immediately that happens. Git init. This is the first command. You might not see what is created, but it has initialized it. Normally, it creates one .git file, which is not really visible here. Initialized it for me. Okay. Immediately that happens. The next option says might not see what is created, file, but it has initialized. Not very compulsory. Normally, it creates one .git file, which is not really visible here. So, but the one that's compulsory is now how to push it. The next option says I should create a README file, which is not very compulsory. Okay, not very. Okay, just follow these steps after you do that. So, but the one that's compulsory is how to push it to the remote. So let me see. Okay, we've not created. Okay, just follow these steps after you add. After you have to create a README file. Go ahead and manually create a README file here. README.md. Okay, we've not created any README file. Sorry, MD file. What we add, we have to create. That command is saying that we need to add manually create a README file here. But now it's empty, so I'll just copy this command Adding means you are staging it. MD file. So that command is saying that we need to add the readme. So I've staged this new file I created. Adding means you are staging. The next step says git commit. I want to commit these 3 changes I've made so far. I want to commit them now too. So I've staged this new file I created. The next step says, so please, if in case you don't want to start ramming it, you can just follow 3 changes I've made so far. I want to commit them now to the name first commit, call it something meaningful. Say added. Can say so please, if in case you don't want to start initialize, you can just follow these steps or add can change the name first commit, call it something meaningful. Say add readme file. Added. Can say add readme. Then the next thing, the next step says add readme or add git branch readme file. That's fine. What this does is to create a branch for you readme file to work on instead of working on the master branch. Then the next thing, the next step says this branch. Just follow these steps. What this does is to create a branch for you to now work on. You can see when I did git branch -m main. What I'm saying is that I need to create a branch for me called main. It has created a branch called now main. You can see when I did if you okay, branch, I didn't show you here. This place was called master before. It has changed to main. What I'm saying that I need to create a branch for me called main. It has created a branch called main. It has changed the branch. After creating the branch, if you as I said, show you here, this place was called master before. Me with it has changed to main. So I'm saying that my main it has changed the name to main branch and a feature branch. It was called master before, but just follow this the branch to main. Now, as I said, please I want to now push bear with me with on these steps. You understand them now. Go ahead. Understand the difference between a main branch and a feature branch. This now, but just follow my remote. So see the code now. Remote add origin. I want to now I'm adding this. I'm adding this origin. Now go ahead. I'm adding this remote. This work I have. This now I want to add it to my remote server. So see the code git remote add origin. I'm adding this. Okay. I'm adding this. I think that I'm adding this origin. I'm adding this remote. Now, the last step. This work I have. I want to add it to my remote server. This one. Okay. Git push. I think that has been done. I think. Now the last step. So I'm not doing. I'm just copying and pasting. So let's see what happens. This one. So if you follow these steps correctly, you now have everything you have on my machine is now. So I'm not doing. I'm just copying and pasting. It's now found. So let's see what happens. So if you follow these steps correctly, you now have everything you have on my machine is now this repo. Is now found in everything I have on my machine. It's now found in this repo. It did not push this one. Oh. I understand why. Understand why. Okay. We've successfully linked what we have on our local machine here. But you might have a question. So far, we only have this readme file shown. We don't have this carrier.html. We've successfully linked what we have on our local machine. Can you see what happened here? But you might have a question. We don't have it. We don't have the other. We only have this readme file shown. Are you seeing it? We don't have this carrier.html, index.html. Now this is why that happened. Let me expand this. We don't have it. We don't have. And if you're working, another thing I want to be. If you're working, are you seeing it? Once you see this, this means that there is a current. Now this is why that happened. That is what. Let me expand this. These are source. This you can. If you're working, another thing I want to be. If you're working, and if once you see this, this means these ones are still showing green. Current work I have not. I added them. That is what this thing means. But I've not. These are source. You can use the source controller to track. So and this is why they were not pushed. Let me show you. These ones are still showing green. It means that I have not. When I added them to this file. I only staged the README file. Found I did not stage the other files. So and this is why they were not pushed. When I did git add, I specified the file I want you to. When I did, I'm saying git add. I only staged the README file. I did not stage. That was why these other ones were not pushed. So in that steps that we are following. Instead of I specify the file I want you to stage because you know in their own work stage online push only we were not having any of these files. I have those. That was why these other ones were not pushed. So in that steps that we are following, instead of having file to the stage, you just read me because you know in their own work dot means stage everything. They were not having stage everything in that folder. Have those files to remote. So if I now do in that step that we're following, instead of specifying a particular file to be staged, you just expand it so that you see how all of these changes. Stage everything. Stage everything in that folder and push it to remote. So if I now do this, I click on I want to expand it so that you see how all of these changes. Commit. So if I now do this, I click on enter. Then I now say git commit add HTML files. Git commits. Okay. So I've added the two of them. You see, it has disappeared from here. After adding it, and I still have to push it again to the remote server. Files. Can go with git push. Okay. So I've added the two of them. Origin. You see, it has disappeared from here. After adding it, and I still have to push it again to the remote server. Main can go with git push. Git push. Okay. Origin. So they've been pushed. So I now have them here. So if I refresh origin, these are my folders. So you can see how it's after creating it in so my local machine. So I now have them here. Create a repo on GitHub. Follow those steps. But the only part of the step that you might have to twerk a bit. So you can see how doing it's Git after creating it in alone my Git local machine dots. You create a repo on GitHub. You have in your follow those steps and continue with the part of the step that automatically it will just push all your folder instead of doing Git and subsequently as you want to work alone, you go back to the pattern we said before. Dots. As you work, if you want to stage Git add and continue with the step, automatically it will just push all your folders just like that. You do subsequently as you want to work, you go back to the pattern we said before. As you update, if you want to stage, like if I update anything on my local machine, I have to go through this three process. I have to go through the three processes. Like that. You do add, commit and push origin main, and that's it. So is that clear? As you update, like if I update anything on my local machine now, I have to go through these three processes. I have to go through the three processes. Add, commit, and push.
Yes, I'm clear.
So is that clear?
If we disappear from here, give us video later.
Yes, all right. Okay. Before we go today, I will. How many minutes do we have? I would like somebody to go through this process and push their work.
If we disappear from here, give us
so
video
who will
later.
volunteer? Don't want to call anybody. Okay. Before we go today, I will. How many minutes?
So will work. I would like somebody
to go through this process and push their work.
Signed into GitHub.
So who can do it now? It doesn't take. Don't want to call anybody. Less than 2 minutes. Share your screen and do it for us. All right, go ahead. Suka, share your screen and do it for us.
We've not registered. We are not signed into GitHub.
You can do it now. It doesn't take. Or David, you want to go? Want to try it? All right, go ahead. Suka, share your screen and do it for us. Let's see. David, you want to try it? Or David, right, you want to go? Go ahead. Want to try it? Let's.
No, please.
I can't hear David, you want to try it?
I will do it.
All right, David, go ahead. Share your screen. Let's.
No, please,
I can hear you now.
Please.
I can't hear you.
My next work will be online. You can do it. So that's why I will right now. What I'm sure.
Okay, who can do this for us? Suka, are you in a place we can do this for us?
Online, you can do it. So that's why I can show you. Right now.
Okay, who can do
yeah,
this?
I can hear you,
Suka,
sir.
are you okay? Can you implement this for us? All right, go ahead and share your screen.
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, can you implement this for us? No worries. All right, go ahead and share your screen. Let's start. All right, go ahead and share your screen. You have to be fast in this session. No worries. Hello. All right, go ahead and share your screen. Let's start.
Let me switch to my system.
You have to be fast in this session. Okay, that will take time. I just needed somebody. Hello. Okay, see what we can do. What we'll do.
Yeah. Let me
go ahead and open a GitHub account and follow the video and implement it. That will take time. For next I just needed somebody. Okay, we'll see what we can try to what we'll do. Question. Because of time. Go ahead and open a GitHub account. I was thinking you were close to a system and follow the video and implement it. What will come for next meeting? If you have any questions, please, we'll ask and we'll try to fix the question. Because this is our last segment for today. I was thinking you were close to a system or something.
No question, but Toby wants to show us. He wants to demonstrate.
Any questions, please?
the system,
but this is our last segment for today. All right, no worries. That's right. Just create the.
Toby wants
Yes,
to
go
show
ahead
us,
and
wants
create
to
the repo.
demonstrate.
Try to
Just that,
upload your file, and
the
if there is a
system,
challenge, you let me know.
the
I will
audio
show what
input
we've
is
done
not
so
really
far.
coming up.
Because by next
All right, no
class,
worries.
I want to
That's
see
right.
your,
Just
all
create
your
the.
codes on
Practice
GitHub.
it here. No problem.
In fact, go ahead
The
and
challenge
create
is
the
that
repo.
the
Try
challenge
to
is
upload your file, and
before
if there is a
next class,
challenge, you let me know.
please
I
drop
will show
the
what we've
link
done so
to
far.
your GitHub
Because by
repo.
next class, I want to see your all your codes on GitHub.
Drop the link to your
In
GitHub
fact,
profile
the
on
challenge
Slack
see
channel. I
that
want to be able to
the
open your
challenge
GitHub
is
profile and see.
before
Is that
next
clear?
class, please drop the
Okay,
link
sir.
to your GitHub
Noted.
repo. So if I open it, I'll be able to know if
Drop the
you
link to your
drop the
GitHub
code there or
profile
not. I'll be
on
able
the
to
Slack channel. I
ascertain.
want to be able to open your GitHub profile and see.
So having said
Is
that,
that
we'll be
clear?
stopping for today.
Okay,
Then
sir. Noted.
so if I open it, I'll be able
we
to
can start
know if
introduction to
you
JavaScript.
but I
Drop the
just wanted
code
us
there
to
or
get
not.
these
I'll be able
basics.
to ascertain.
So having said that, we'll
Okay,
be
sir.
stopping for today.
Okay, sir.
Then
Thank you so much for your time.
hopefully by
No
next week
worries.
we can start introduction to JavaScript. But I just wanted
Okay,
us to get these
so
basics.
any question,
Any thoughts, comments?
please give us videos.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
All
sir.
right,
Thank you so much for
I
your
will try my
time.
best this week. No worries. Okay, so any
God bless you,
question,
sir.
any thoughts,
Amen.
comments?
Thank you very much. Please give us videos.
All right, the absence
Thank you,
of
sir.
anything.
All right, I will try my best this week. Thank you, sir. All right. God bless you, sir.
Amen. Thank you very much. All right, the absence of anything